ask you a question? How many times have you searched for online jobs only to discover that it is not available in your country, or it requires higher years of experience, or worst case, they require you to pay money? Exactly. That is why today I'm about to show you 6 legit jobs that you can do from anywhere around the world. The beautiful aspect of it is that you can do it right from the comfort of your home. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the website. I'm also going to review their pay, and also I'm going to show you how you can get started step by step. Welcome back to my channel, my money makers. If you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Favour, the tech mom. On this channel, I show you the legitimate ways to make money online, both AI opportunities, remote jobs, and especially beginner-friendly income ideas, which includes AI content creation as well. So why not go ahead and smash the like button of this particular video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and please turn on your notification button so that you can always get my updates whenever I upload a video. On this side, we keep it legit. We say the truth, all right? So today we are talking about typing jobs, not survey, not some of these apps promising overnight riches. I'm talking about this is real platforms that pays people to type for them, all right? Unless I forget, the last one is my best, so don't miss it. Number 1 is Go Transcript. What you will do is just go to your Go Transcript and click work for us at the bottom of the page. Then sign up for free. Read their style guide carefully before anything else. This guide tells you exactly how they want transcriptions formatted, punctuation, speaker labels, everything. Don't skip this step. Now, the step 3, take the transcription test. They give you a short audio clip to transcribe. Follow the style guide to the letter. This test is what qualifies you. Once you pass, you get access to their job board. Pick available audio files, transcribe them, and submit. Now, pay starts from $15 to $22 per hour, and payments go out every Friday through PayPal or Payoneer. Now, Payoneer is the best option for Nigerians or for Africans. Now, I will tell you for free, your accuracy score matters a lot. Keep it above 4.5 out of 5. And you will see that you will unlock more work for yourself, all right? Now, here is the thing. If you are completely new to transcription, the next platform that I'm about to mention might be your best, all right? Now, number 2 is Transcribe Me. Now, here is how you can get started on Transcribe Me. Number 1, go to transcribeme.com and click on Join Our Team. Registration is completely free. They will give you access to their training materials. Read through them. They cover exactly how they want you to format your transcriptions. Step 3, take the English entrance exam. It is a short transcription of an audio clip. Follow their style guide exactly, especially on pronunciation. If you pass, you are in. Log into the worker portal, claim short audio clips from the queue, transcribe them and submit. Now, the pay starts from $15 to $22. And let me tell you, people that are very active on Transcribe Me, they earn more than $150 in just a week, all right? Now, before I show you the next platform, let me quickly say this thing. A lot of people will watch this video and will never apply for any job, including any platform. They will go ahead and keep saving and saving and saving a lot of videos without applying. The major criteria for getting success is going along and doing that thing that makes you successful. That's it. Now, the next platform is called Rev, and this is how you can join Rev website. Go to rev.com and scroll to the bottom, click on freelance jobs, apply as a transcriptionist. The application is free. They have a screening process that includes a grammar quiz and a transcription test. Take your time on both. Rev has higher standards than some of other platforms, so prepare properly. Once accepted, log into your Rev dashboard. You will see available jobs with their length and pay rates. Claim what you can handle, all right? Now, pay is around $0.45 to $0.75 per audio minute, all right? And they pay weekly. And I can tell you this for free. Rev is very, very selective, but very consistent. Now, once you are in, you will start getting jobs and start building your rates. The work will start becoming easier and regular, all right? Now, if you are looking for a website that rewards accuracy and can potentially pay more over time, now try the next website that I'm about to mention. That is number 4. It is called casting weights. And here is how you can access casting weights. First of all, go to their website and create free account. Set up your profile fully. Please, this matters a lot. Take their transcription test, important warning for you. Casting words gives you one shot at this test. Read their style guide thoroughly before you attempt their questions. Please do not rush, alright? Once you pass, you will see your dashboard with available jobs. Start with what's available and work your way up. Now, pay ranges from 8 cents to $1 per audio minute. Now, this depends on your badge level, and they also pay every Friday. And I will tell you for free, consistency and accuracy is what will get you to higher badge level. Now, if you are still worried about the test, whether you can pass the test, don't worry. I'm about to mention another website that is totally beginner friendly. And the name of the website is, that's number 5, is Scribe, all right? Now, this is how you can access Scribe. Go to scribe.com, click on Become a Transcriber, free sign up, take their transcription test, a short audio file you will need to transcribe accurately. Once accepted, you can claim 6-minute audio files from their job board and transcribe them at your own pace. Now, the pay ranges from $5 to $10 per audio minute. Now, they also give a monthly bonus of $5 every 3 hours. Now, I will tell you this. Think about Scribe as a training ground while you work harder for higher platforms. Now, the last platform that I'm about to mention is completely different from the 5 I've mentioned already. And that platform is number 6. It is called Upwork. Many of us knows about Upwork, but few of us have tried Upwork. Now, this is where things start becoming more serious. You're no longer working for a particular company or platform. You are working for yourself. You build your own personal brand, build your skill. You offer it as a service. Yes, especially this typing job, you can offer it as a service to someone who needs that on Upwork, all right? And you can charge any rate or amount that you want. A lot of people charge from $100, $200, $300, depending on what they're doing actually, all right? Now, this is how you can start your Upwork journey. Number 1, just go to upwork.com, sign up for free as a freelancer, build your profile carefully, write a clear title like maybe accurate audio transcriptionist, something like that, and your bio that explains your skills and what clients can expect from you. Now, set your hourly rates competitively to start. Don't undersell yourself, but be realistic as a beginner. I will tell you, do not overcharge, all right? Just make sure you do research. Know what other people are charging as well. Now, search for jobs using keywords like transcription, audio typing, data entry, copy typing, and so on. Write a personalized proposal for each job. Don't copy and paste. Mention the client's specific project and explain why you are the right person. Now, complete your first few jobs excellently, collect reviews, and raise your rates as your reputation grows. Now, payment on Upwork can come through Pioneer and so on, all right? Now, I've shown you 6 platforms that are available for you to try your transcription jobs, all right, without being biased. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you how you can create a great account like I promised earlier on, and I'll be sharing that on my YouTube community. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube community, please do that as well here on YouTube, all right? I'll be dropping many exclusive different jobs that you don't know about, and some of the payment platforms and how you can access them, including PayPal. So tell me, which one are you going to start with? Do not overwork yourself. Start with one, all right? Tell me, which one are you going to start with in the comment section. See you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.